What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're over at Aerodrome Finance, which is down 9.1% at $1.47. $601 million market cap, infinite max supply. We've talked about this before. Do your research on infinite max supply coins. Unfortunately, man, we broke below that $1.50, that very, very powerful $1.50 support. So we're going to find out where the next support area is for Aerodrome. Now, overall, I'm extremely, extremely bullish on this coin in the bull run, but for the hype part of the bull run, obviously. But as of right now, as you can see, the market isn't really doing much. As long as BTC continues staying around that 65K level, altcoins are going to bleed out. But it's just a matter of time until we get to the fun part, boys. But we're after the halving now. It usually takes about 4 to 5 weeks until we start moving back up. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on AERO. All right, everybody, let's get into AERO. We're on the day chart here. That's a nasty red candle we got today, boys. Unfortunately, that is not bullish right now. Overall, though, the overall structure is bullish since we bottomed out here February 2024. We have been putting in higher highs and higher lows ever since. So as long as we stay above this level right here, we're still good on Aerodrome. We're still in a bullish structure. I know it doesn't look like that right now, but as long as we don't break below $1.35, we're good. And I believe $1.35 on the fibs is the 6-1. No, it's not. It's not the 618. He actually just tagged the 6-1 area right there with the wick. So yeah, I would say $1.40. It looks like we cannot break below $1.40. I'm actually going to draw a green box here for you guys. The 618 down to 135. This is our area that we have to stay above. Oh shoot, this is our area that we have to stay above. We cannot break through this green box. If we break through this green box, it'd be bad news bears for AERO, and you'd see a capitulation down to $1. Now, like I've mentioned at the beginning, we're pretty dang close to the parabolic phase of the bull run now. So it is what it is, and I don't think the 618 should be breaking. Indicators right now, we're pretty reset on them. We are almost at 50 here on the RSI. We are at 0 on the WTX and the MACD. Yes, the MACD is bearish right now, but we're not making super engulfing bearish candles. So that's a good thing. Now, if you look at the 4-hour time frame, we can see like a little bit of an insight of what's going to be in the longer term. The short-term time frame is looking fantastic. Looks like a fantastic time to buy. Obviously, this was a big support going back to the end of March of 2024. So as long as we bounce off of this, that's always a good area to buy, is always that very powerful support area. And it's just showing that there's a possible reversal coming on the short term. You're way down here in the green, first time ever being this deep in the green on the WTX. It actually looks like the second lowest we've ever been on the RSI. Actually, I would say it's the lowest we've ever been on the RSI. I don't really count this because that's the initial coin launch right there. So obviously the RSI is just going to go straight up. So I would say this is the lowest we've ever been on the RSI realistically, and probably same with the MACD. The MACD, oh, not the MACD, no. MACD, it's the second lowest we've been on the MACD. But we are losing our bearish momentum here on the 4-hour time frame. We have a lighter red candle that spawned in, which means we're less bearish and more bullish. Let's see what it looks like on the day chart. What does the MACD look like on the day chart? Yeah, we had a large red candle today. So the day chart's not bullish, but the 4-hour short term is. The 4-hour short term is actually bouncing off our support, and we actually got a morning star candle in, which is a I'll show you what that is, which is a reversal candle. When you see a candle like this, where it's a giant wick, and then you see the bar, that's usually a reversal sign right there. Then you see a reversal to the upside. Now, as you can see, we kind of had morning star right there, and then it played out. But we'll see. We'll see, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, it's just a matter of time. The parabolic phase of the bull run's knocking on the door, so I'm done shuffling my portfolio around. I have my bags. I'm holding it. It's either make it or break it time. Uh, so keep an eye on the 618 at 140 to 135. We can't break below 135. We break below 135, then $1's back on the table. But indicators look good on the short-term time frame, like we mentioned, and usually the short-term time frame rolls into the day chart. So I would be DCing anywhere between $1.35 and $1.40. I think that'd be a fantastic opportunity to DCA until we run and put in a higher high, which would bring us up to about that $3.25 area at the 1236. So we still are overall bullish, guys. I want to clarify that. We have been making higher highs and higher lows since February 2004. Yes, this from April 11th, pretty much the entire month of April, the second half of April has been down, but we still have not put in a lower low yet. So as long as we don't put in a lower low from right here, we are still bullish on Aerodrome. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.